can't believe I crushed the drift sleigh. I can't let Christmas be ruined. Hey, 360 Motorsports, I've got some damage on Santa's sleigh and it needs some repairs, so what do you think? Can we get it done before Christmas?
Yeah, I got you. I know exactly who to call to help us get this job done.
Here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Vixen and all his reindeers pulling on the reins. Bells are ringing, children singing, all is merry and bright. So hang your stockings and say your prayers, 'cause Santa Claus comes tonight.
Here comes Santa Claus, right down